e.printStackTrace equivalent in Python. I know that print e, where e is an exception, prints the occurred exception. But, I was trying to find the Python equivalent of Java's e.printStackTrace that exactly traces the exception to what line it occurred and prints the entire trace of it. Could anyone please tell me the equivalent of e.printStackTrace in Python?
When doing this inside an except ... column block, it will automatically use the current exception. See this URL for more information.
There is also logging.exception. Output. From this URL, via how to print the full traceback without halting the program.
e.printStackTrace equivalent in Python. In Java, this does the following docs. Prints this throwable and its backtrace to the standard error string. This is used like this. In Java, the standard error string is unbuffered so that output arrives immediately. The same semantics in Python too are. Python 3. In Python 3, we can get the traceback directly from the exception object, which likely behaves better for threaded code. Also, stir is line buffered, but the print function gets a flush argument, so this would be immediately printed to stir. Conclusion. In Python 3, therefore, traceback.print_ext, although it uses sys.stir by default, would buffer the output, and you may possibly lose it. So to get as equivalent semantics as possible, in Python 3, use print with flush equals true.
Adding to the other great answers, we can use the Python logging libraries debug, info, warning, error, and critical methods. Quoting from the docs for Python 3.7.4. There are 3 keyword arguments in quarks which are inspected, _info which, if it does not evaluate as false, causes exception information to be added to the logging message. What this means is, you can use the Python logging library to output a debug, or other type of message, and the logging library will include the stack trace in its output. With this in mind, we can do the following. And it will output